Imagine stepping into your home after a long day and finding it perfectly set to your liking. Calming ambient lighting, soft music, and the room temperature at your ideal comfort level. This is the world of home automation, a technology that can transform your daily life in ways you might not have thought possible. Hello and welcome to Learn Home Automation. Today we'll talk about the very basics of home automation. In this video, I want to make home automation easier to understand, especially for beginners. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and why it's worth considering for your home. We'll look at the basics, the different components of a home automation system, and the real-world benefits it can offer. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of how this technology can make your home more functional and improve your quality of life. Home automation involves using smart devices and systems that can control various aspects of your home, such as lighting, heating, security, and entertainment, based on your desires without any interaction from you. This technology can make your home more efficient, safer, and more comfortable, but it can also seem daunting to those new to it. Think of home automation as a personal assistant for your home. Just like a personal assistant remembers your schedule and anticipates your needs, home automation does the same for your house. It can remember your habits and adjust settings automatically, making your home more intuitive and responsive to your lifestyle. After a long day, you sit down on your sofa to relax in the evening, only to realize that you left the kitchen light on. At that moment, getting up to turn off the light can seem like the most daunting task in the world. This is just one of the many inconveniences that home automation can solve. Every day, we face small but frustrating challenges that can add up over time. Waking up startled by an alarm clock every morning is not just annoying, it can disrupt your entire day. Wouldn't it be great if your home could gently wake you up with soft lighting and a pleasant temperature, simulating the sunrise? Keeping track of lights, blinds, and the TV can also be a daily hassle. Imagine walking into the living room and finding the TV still on, even though no one is watching it, or forgetting to close the blinds on a hot summer day, making your home feel like an oven. Ensuring your home's security is another significant worry. For example, making sure everything is closed down properly before bed can be a tedious process. Checking every door, window, and lock can be time-consuming and sometimes even forgotten. It would be nice if your house could notify you instantly the moment anything is out of order. These are just a few of the everyday challenges that home automation can address. A home automation system can take care of these things for you without you even having to think about it, making your daily life more comfortable and secure. Before diving into the details, it's important to understand the difference between home automation and a smart home. A smart home typically refers to a collection of devices that connect to your home network or the internet, allowing you to control them via smartphones or voice assistants. While these devices offer convenient control methods, they don't fully represent true home automation. True home automation involves a system that knows your daily routines and reacts automatically based on your routines and preferences. It works seamlessly in the background, making your life easier without manual intervention. In simpler terms, a smart home provides alternative ways to control your devices, while home automation controls them for you based on pre-programmed settings. For example, in a smart home, you might use a voice command to turn off all lights. In a home automation system, lights would turn off automatically when you go to bed, based on a set schedule, or when the system detects that everyone has left the house. A home automation system relies on several key components to function seamlessly. These components include a central hub, sensors, controllers, and automations. First, the central hub serves as the brain of the system. It connects to and manages all the other devices, allowing you to control your home from one place. Think of it as the central command center that coordinates everything. Sensors are the eyes and ears of your home automation system. They detect changes in the environment and trigger actions based on these changes. For example, motion sensors can detect if someone has entered a room, contact sensors can alert you if a door is open, and temperature sensors can measure the room's temperature and humidity, providing essential data for environmental controls. Controllers are the devices that make things happen based on what the sensors detect. Smart thermostats adjust the temperature, smart wall switches can control lights or blinds without physical interaction, and smart sockets can turn power on or off to any device, helping you manage energy consumption. Lastly, automations contain all the instructions for how everything should interact. They wait for changes in specific sensors and then tell which controller should act and how. Automations can include criteria, so an action only runs when certain conditions are met. For example, turning on the lights at sunset only when someone is home. Do you have any questions so far about the topics we've covered? Feel free to leave a comment below. The benefits of home automation are numerous and can significantly enhance your daily life. One of the key advantages is reduced stress and mental effort. By handling repetitive tasks, home automation frees up your mental resources, allowing you to focus on more enjoyable or important activities. Another benefit is a greater sense of control over your living environment. Home automation lets you customize your home to your preferences with minimal effort, making it more comfortable and personalized. This increased control not only boosts your productivity, but also enhances your overall comfort and satisfaction. Enhanced security and peace of mind are also major benefits. Home automation systems can monitor entry points with cameras and sensors, providing a higher level of surveillance and control over your home security. Automated notifications about unusual activity can reduce anxiety and ensure your home stays secure. Features like automated lighting and temperature control can also improve your sleep quality and morning routine. This calming environment can enhance your emotional relaxation and increase your satisfaction with your living conditions. There are many useful automations that can improve your daily life. Here are some examples. Imagine a perfect start to your day. As the time for the alarm approaches, the light in your bedroom gradually turns on, simulating a sunrise to gently wake you up. The heating is set to a comfortable temperature, ensuring you step into a cozy environment. Before you leave for work, a reminder plays over the speakers, ensuring you don't forget anything important. When everyone leaves the house, the lights, TV, and heating or air conditioning are turned off automatically, conserving energy. If no one is home, the robot vacuum cleaner can start cleaning, ensuring your home is tidy. The heating or air conditioning turns on before you get home based on the temperature. As you enter, a pre-selected playlist starts playing on the speakers, setting a relaxing atmosphere. When it gets dark, the lights gradually turn on with warm lighting. If you turn on the TV, the lights dim to enhance the viewing experience, and they come back on when you turn the TV off. In the evening, when bedtime approaches, the lights are dimmed and the air conditioner turns on in the bedroom if needed. When you go to bed, all the lights in the house except the bedroom light turn off. Additionally, if a window or door is left open, the light in the bedroom can change color to alert you. Home automation can also help you save energy. For instance, if there is no movement in a room for a few minutes, the lights turn off automatically. If no one is in the living room, the TV turns off. If the temperature is nice outside, a notification on your phone suggests opening the windows instead of using the air conditioning. When you go to sleep, the heating is turned off or the temperature is lowered. When it comes to security, if there is movement at the front door, the entrance light turns on and a video feed from the camera appears on the dashboard. If an outside window or door is open at night, all lights turn on at maximum brightness and an alarm sound plays on the speakers. An alert is sent to your phone if motion is detected when everyone is away from home, or if a water leak is detected under the sink. What about your routines? Can you think of a scenario where home automation could really make a difference in your daily life? A good home automation system should be user-friendly, reliable, and offer a seamless experience. Here are some key features to look for. First, the system should not require you to adapt to the technology. Devices should work seamlessly with both traditional methods, like light switches and smart home controls. This ensures that all users in the household, including family members and guests, can use the system without any issues. Minimal dependency on apps is also crucial for ease of use. Second, the system should be able to work with a wide range of third-party devices and manufacturers. This means you can mix and match products from different brands to create a personalized smart home ecosystem. All your smart devices should be consolidated within a single environment, making it easier to manage and control them. Third, the system should be able to function independently of the cloud. This means it can maintain functionality even when the internet connection is lost or cloud services are down. This ensures that your home remains secure and automated, even during temporary connectivity issues. Fourth, the system should support the automations you desire. It should allow you to create and execute specific automations tailored to your needs, offering the necessary flexibility and control. The complexity of your desired automations should not be a limiting factor. Fifth, the system should offer future-proof expansion. It should allow you to add new devices and features as your needs evolve, ensuring that your system remains up to date and relevant. Long-term support is also important, and the system should continue to work as intended even if the company or servers close down. Lastly, privacy should be an important consideration as well. A good system should respect your personal information and not send sensitive user data to third parties. This not only protects your privacy but also gives you peace of mind, knowing that your home automation system is reliable and trustworthy. In summary, home automation is a transformative technology that can significantly enhance your daily life. By understanding the basics of home automation, including its components and benefits, you can make informed decisions about integrating this technology into your home. Whether it's conserving energy, enhancing security, or simply streamlining your daily routines, home automation offers a range of solutions tailored to your needs. As you consider implementing home automation, think about the specific challenges in your daily life that it can solve and how it can contribute to a more enjoyable and efficient living space. And that's it for today. Are you thinking about home automation for your home? Do you have any reservations holding you back? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so why not leave a comment below? Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.